Have you wondered how you can use AI to generate your very own music soundtracks in just a matter of seconds? If yes, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, we'll be learning how we can use Canva to generate our very own music tracks with using AI just for free. So without further ado, I'm Prathal Chabir from Web Creators, and let's get started. To get started, first of all, we're going to go to Canva. Look over this option. Go to apps and let the page load. Search for AI music and press enter. Click on this option. If you wanted to use it in an existing design, then you can, but I really want to use a new design, so I'll just go over there and I'll click video landscape. Till that time, you only have to wait for the page to load. As you can see, it has been given over here on our app section. Okay, it brings you to this page. It says choose styles and models. Like, what kind of music do you want to create? I want to create a cinematic, dynamic, expressive, epic, atmospheric, pop, peaceful, and serious, and dramatic too if you like. And you can change the duration if you want. For example, you can put it to 30 seconds. 1 second. 30.0. Oh, okay, sorry. Here you can see the value from 5 seconds to 200. Okay, and then when you're done composing, you can click on compose. If your design is quite long, then it might take some time, but mine is like both in the middle, so it can just take 1 to 2 minutes. It has given this to you, and click on add to design to hear it. Yep. Okay. Okay, as you heard, it has created a very to the point and as we told it to be song. So yeah, you can also put it long if your duration is longer. You can hear it again. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.